Let's celebrate innovation. Fakuma presents 30 innovators, 30 impulses.
Hey, did you hear? The 30th Fakuma is coming up. We absolutely have to go to Witosa. And by the way, congratulations to Fakuma on its 30th anniversary. 30 years of innovation. Are you even listening to me?
Are you waiting for the Zeppelin to make a big comeback?
Darling, dreaming about yesterday is fine. But if you want to see tomorrow's technology, visit Witosa in Hall A2. Discover Witosa's revolutionary hot runner technology, made possible by additive manufacture.
Let's celebrate Fakuma. A very warm welcome, now open Monday through Friday in Friedrichshafen.